For this installation, you'll need a trim tool. There are clips around the entire lens that hold it on. Starting on the front edge of the lens opposite the buttons, slide the trim tool into the edge. Pry the edge down and move the trim tool around the edge, prying it out as you go. We highlight here how the clips in the lens hold it onto the assembly. Pull out the incandescent bulb. Replace it with the LED and test it. Now remove the other bulb. Replace it with the LED and test it. To replace the lens, start by pushing in the front edge and push it up all around to lock in the clips. These new LED bulbs light up the entire interior, all the way to the floor.